which is an interesting one. So what we've been doing in class lately is quite a bit of improvisation, people getting to practice their moves in their free time. I help them as I walk around the room, and what this has led to is a lot of people coming up with their own moves, which is so much fun. Belly dancing, if you don't know, has been around for thousands and thousands of years. There are so many different moves, and so when you see one that you haven't seen before, it's really exciting. So in this video, I'm going to show you Danny's move that she came up with while we were practicing our shimmies. Nice move to do, beautiful dynamics, and it brings a combination of two different moves you might have done in the past. So starting off, keeping our feet hip width apart, bring your pelvis in, bring your chest up, starting with our nice shimmy. So if you haven't learnt your shimmy yet, I will link a video to that below or above. You can check that one out as well. Make sure you learn your shimmy first. Then once you've got your shimmy, we're adding in a step. When we add in this step, it's a step touch. So remember, our normal step touch is coming step, up, step, up, step, up, step, up. Instead, today, we are starting with our shimmy, and then coming step touch, transfer, step touch, transfer, step touch, transfer, up to speed. Yeah, so it's a fun move because it's nice and dynamic. It's quite simple with the step, but it's a little bit different to anything we've done before. So well done, Danny. I love this move. Keep in mind when you are doing this one, like with any traveling shimmy step, you want to shimmy on the leg that your weight is on. So when we're shimmying, we've got both feet on the floor, we are shimmying both legs. So you can see from the side, I'm working both knees nice and strong. As I step up, you can see this leg is still shimmying. So if I were to try and shimmy both legs, it would look a bit weird because this knee will be going in and out. So instead, weight is on this leg, shimmying on this leg, then transfer. As I transfer, the shimmy comes onto this leg, the other leg comes in front. So it's a nice one to practice because it helps you to know when to shimmy. So when you're coming into your shimmy walks, you know, okay, the foot that's on the floor, that's the one that has the shimmy. Same with your forward and back steps. With this one, you have really quick transitions. So this will help you to just shimmy on the leg that's on the floor. So if you like this move, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have seen this move before, write down in the comments because I've never seen it before until Danny did it in class the other day. But if you have, I would love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe, click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of when new videos are released. And as always, happy dancing.